Hi everyone, my name is Logan Rajang and today I will be presenting the grocery management system, a project that I have developed independently. It has been an exciting journey to create this system and I'm thrilled to walk you through it. The grocery management system is designed to make managing grocery inventory and shopping carts more efficient and user friendly. Imagine walking into a grocery store where you can track the inventory, add items to your cart, and even handle checkout seamlessly. My system replicates this process digitally, helping users easily manage purchases while providing store owner with a streamlined way to handle transactions. The idea of this system came from observing the inefficiencies in manual inventory and cart management. I wanted to develop a system that reduces errors, simplifies tasks like calculating totals, and provides a better experience for both customers and store managers. Additionally, this project allowed me to apply key programming concepts and problem solving techniques. This is the class diagram of my system. A class diagram is a visual representation of the main component of the program and how they interact. At the center, we have the item class, which is the parent class. It represents general items in the system. Two subclasses, beverage and fruit, inherit from the item class and define specific type of items. The grocery system class is where the main operation occurs, such as managing inventory, adding items to the cart, and handling checkouts. There are a clear inheritance relationship between the item class and its subclasses, while the grocery system interacts with all the entities to run the program. My database is called grocery underscore db and it consists of three key tables. The users table contains attributes such as user ID, username, and password hash. The inventory table contains attributes such as ID, name, price, and category, which define the item available for purchase. And the transaction table logs all purchases, storing the item name, quantity, and total price for each transaction. I wrote the source code to align with the class diagram. For example, the item class corresponds to the parent class in the diagram, which attributes like name and price. Subclasses beverage and fruit inherits this attribute and override the getCategory method to specify their categories. The grocery system class handles the program's logic such as loading inventories, managing the carts, and connecting to the database. In the item class, I declared attributes like name and price, which are common to all items. The getCategory method is abstract, so each subclass defines it differently. In the grocery system class, I declared attributes for the inventory and carts using collections like hashmap to store data efficiently. Methods like add item to cart and remove item from cart perform specific operation to ensure smooth functionality. I implement three main object-oriented programming concepts in this project. First one, I would like to say the inheritance, such as the beverage and fruit classes inherit from the item class, reusing its attribute and methods. Next is polymorphism. The getCategory method is overridden in each subclass, showcasing how the same method can behave differently. The third one is encapsulation. I kept class attributes private and provided getter method to access them. ensuring controlled access to data. My system uses HashMap to store the inventory and shopping cart, allowing efficient key value operations. I also included exception handling to manage errors gracefully. For example, if a user enters an invalid item ID or quantity, the item shows an error message instead of crashing. During database operations, any connections issue are caught and handled to provide a smooth user experience. Let me now demonstrate the system. I'll start logging in with a username and password. After logging in, we'll see the inventory and cart interfaces. First, I'll add an item to the cart by entering its ID and quantity. Next, I'll try entering an invalid ID to show how the system handles error. Finally, I'll complete the checkout process and you will see how the transaction is logged in the database.